Welcome to my kitchen and our kitchen pot plant. It's a bit big, isn't it? It is a lovely patio here and it's all braided all the way down and it looks marvellous. But we've had a guest. We've had a little guest that's just come. Look, pot plant dappling, otherwise known as the pot plant parasol. And it's just appeared, just popped up. Now, what happens with this this little mushroom is its spores can be in the compost, and the spores can be waiting in the compost for years and years. We've had this plant for somewhere in the region of about 3 or 4 years, and all of a sudden this springs up. Now, in many cases, lots of houseplants have them because they live dormant within the soil, the spores do, until the conditions are right. It's usually humidity or being taken outside, and that's what we've done with this one. This one's been outside. We've used it for some of our Facebook Lives, and the increase of humidity with the thunderstorms and the sun has been just the right ingredients to initiate life from our little pot plant dappling. They're not that easy to get rid of. It's best to remove them, of course. They can, you know, with young children or pets in the place. But so I'm going to take this one out, and I'm going to take as much soil as I can. But with the humidity, there's no guarantee more won't grow back. But it's just a case of I want to see what it's going to do overnight, because you know fungus grow particularly quickly. And will this open out any further by the morning before I have to clear it out to make sure the pot is just right for my my braided houseplant, kitchen houseplant. Well, there he is. Let's have a look and see what you look like in the morning, mate. But in the meanwhile, I'm keeping pets and children away. So following on from my earlier video from last night, the little pot parasol has opened out. Now, this isn't an edible mushroom by any stretch of the imagination. So if you end up with any of these in your own pots, remove them and as much soil around as possible, especially if you've got kids and animals. But something else I noticed in here, because I moved this plant outside, and very quickly we had a pot parasol grow, but I also had it next to my mother of thousands plant, this kalanchoe, and see one of these little plantlets, it had come off. See, something as small as that must have come off and fallen in the pot. And look what's happened. I've got a little baby kalanchoe. It's mother of thousands, just keeps growing. It's funny how nature finds a way. And there we have a little pot parasol growing and a kalanchoe plant all in the base of this beautiful packer here. Look at this lovely braided stem. There we go. You know, it's hurting me a bit to have to take them out, so I'm going to keep them away from the kids and the animals, leave them out here and see how they get on.